Restarting versus resetting your Ring camera.
Hello there. Today, we're going to address a commonly asked question. Is restarting my Ring camera the same as resetting it? This is a crucial distinction to understand, especially when you're troubleshooting or setting up your camera.
What is restarting?
Restarting your Ring camera means turning it off and then back on, much like rebooting a computer or a smartphone. Restarting doesn't erase any saved settings or data. It simply clears the current power cycle and starts fresh. This is often done to resolve minor issues or glitches.
What is resetting?
Resetting, on the other hand, is a more drastic measure. When you reset your Ring camera, you're returning it to its original factory settings. This means any customized settings, preferences, and any recorded data will be erased. Resetting is typically done when there's a serious issue with the camera that a restart won't fix, or if you're planning to give away or sell the camera.
Which one should I choose?
1. Restart if you're experiencing minor glitches or if the camera isn't responding. This is often the first troubleshooting step. 2. Reset only if necessary. It's a more drastic solution best saved for major issues, or if you're sure you want to erase all settings and data. So, to recap, restarting is a soft solution, a simple power cycle, while resetting is a hard solution, returning your camera to its original settings. I hope this clears up any confusion. Thanks for tuning in, and may your Ring camera always capture the moments you need.